Hello everyone, welcome to Radisys 3G Femtotality program. We are going to demonstrate intrafrequency handover for single wrap calls. Let's have a brief understanding about this feature. 3G Femtotality solution supports maximum 8 user simultaneous intrafrequency handover on octaSIG platform for 8 user AMR 12.2 calls, 8 PS64 calls, 8 video calls, 8 HSTPA calls, and 4 user HSUPA calls. 3G Femtotality solution supports intrafrequency handover with ciphering for all the above mentioned features. Let's have a look at call flow for intrafrequency handover. The handover call flow can be mainly divided into two parts. First is measurement procedure and then relocation procedure. Measurement procedure involves measurement control message which is sent from source HNB to the UV and measurement report message which is sent from UV to the source HNB. Femtotality solution supports measurement events such as 1E, 1F and 1C. Once the UV reports measurement report with event 1C, then relocation procedure is initiated from source HNB. Relocation required message is sent to the core network which includes information about source HNB. Then the core network will forwards relocation request message to the target HNB. Then the target HNB sends relocation request back to the core network, and then core network sends relocation command to the source HNB which includes information of target HNB. Once relocation command is received at the source HNB, it will send radio bearer reconfiguration message to the UV. Then UV will send radio bearer reconfiguration complete message to the target HNB. Target HNB then sends relocation detect and relocation complete. It means that handover is completed. Then IO release procedure is initiated from the core network towards source HNB to release the resources. Finally, the UV is deregistered from source HNB by sending HNBAP message UV deregistered. Let's have a look at test setup for intrafrequency handover. This represents cell boundary for source HNB and this represents cell boundary for target HNB. Let's say this UV is attached to the source HNB and HSTPA call is active on this UV. The UV starts moving from source HNB, and when it reaches to the cell boundary of source HNB, the signal strength of source HNB will be reduced, whereas the signal strength for target HNB will be increased. And then handover is initiated. Once the UV reaches near target HNB, the handover will be successful, and now the target HNB will provide services to this UV. Next, we will have actual demonstration for intrafrequency handover on 3G Femtotality solution.
Hello everyone. We are going to demonstrate intrafrequency handover on 3G Femtotality solution. The terminal on the left hand side is a source console log, and the terminal on the right hand side is a target console log where we can verify the signaling messages between UV and HNB. And here we can verify the Wireshark logs between source HNB, target HNB and the core network. Let's trigger a handover from one UV and we'll check the procedures involved in that. We have attached both of these UVs to our network 1717 and the call is in active. Let's check the same on the console log. This transport block indicates that voice call is inactive on the source HNB. And on the target console log, we can verify that transport blocks are 0, which indicates that calls are not active. Let's move one UE from source HNB to the target HNB in order to trigger handover. We can see that signaling messages are going on the console log. These signaling messages indicates that handover is triggered. From the source console log, we can see that only one UE is inactive and the other is moved to the target HNB. Let's check the Wireshark log. The relocation procedure has been performed between the source HNB and the target HNB. Once the handover is successful, IU release will be sent to the source HNB and further UE will be deregistered on the source. Next, we are going to demonstrate intrafrequency handover for 8 users. These are the 4 mobiles which are in HSDP call and the other 4 mobiles are in voice call. This column indicates 4 voice call are active and this column indicates 4 HSDP call are active. Let's trigger handover from all these 8 UEs. The signaling procedure on the console log indicates that handover is triggered from all the 8 UEs. On the target console log, we can verify that 4 user voice call are active and 4 user HSDP call are active. This indicates that handover is done successfully from all the 8 UEs. On the source console log, the transport blocks have been reverted back to 0, which indicates that HNB has released all the calls properly on the source. This completes the demonstration of 8-user intrafrequency handover on 3G Femtotality solution.
For other features demonstration on 3G Femtotality solution, please visit www.radisys.com. Thank you.